In the heart of Silicon Valley, there's an unassuming office building that houses a company worth $2 billion. And one day it gets robbed. But not just any kind of robbery, mind you. This is a heist where the robbers are outsmarted by the building's own technology. Let me explain. The year is 2021, and the company is a leading manufacturer of smart home technology. Their flagship product is a smart lock system called the Bolt, which allows users to unlock their doors with just a tap of their phone. The Bolt system has been a massive success, selling over 1 million units in its first year. So it's no surprise that the company's founder and CEO, a tech genius named Alex, is worth an estimated $1.2 billion. But not everyone is happy with the company's success. A group of disgruntled former employees, led by a bitter programmer named Ben, feel that they are owed more money and stock options. When their demands are turned down, they hatch a plan to kidnap Alex and hold him for ransom. The problem is, the company's headquarters is one of the most technologically advanced buildings in the world. It's basically a fortress with state-of-the-art security systems and cameras everywhere. Not to mention the company's flagship product, the Bolt Smart Lock system is installed on every single door. So how do the robbers get in without setting off any alarms? It turns out that Ben has a secret weapon, a hidden back door in the Bolt system that he created while working at the company. He and his team of hackers have been lying in wait, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. And when they finally make their move, it's almost flawless. Ben and his team arrive at the building in the middle of the night and disable the security cameras. They then use their custom-made tools to bypass the security system and enter the building undetected. They head straight to Alex's office and find him sleeping peacefully behind his desk. But before they can do anything, the lights turn on and a robotic voice fills the room. It appears there has been a breach in security. Please remain calm and follow my instructions. The kidnappers are stunned. They thought they had disabled all the security systems. So how is the building still running? As it turns out, Alex is not just a tech genius. He's also paranoid. He designed the building's security systems to be completely self-sufficient, with backup power and fail-safes that would alert him even if the main system went down. He even installed cameras in every room that were disguised as smoke detectors. The AI system, which Ben had unknowingly left the back door for himself, alerts the authorities, and before long, police are swarming the building. The robbers are trapped, and their only way out is through the front door, which is locked by the Bolt system. They try to force their way out, but it's no use. The door is locked down, and they can't escape. As it turns out, Ben's back door only worked on the inside. He thought he was so clever, but he made one fatal mistake. He didn't account for the possibility that someone else might have access to the same back door. And as the police close in, Ben and his team are horrified to discover that they were not the only ones who knew about the back door. In fact, Alex had known about it the whole time, and he used it to frame them. With the evidence now irrefutable, Ben and his team have no choice but to surrender. They are arrested and charged with attempted kidnapping and conspiracy. And as for Alex, well, he goes on to become one of the richest men in the world, all thanks to the help of his little AI friend. So if you ever find yourself in a $2 billion tech building, be careful who you trust, because the walls might be listening. And if you like this story, check out my other videos for more tales of a eye gone wild.